gonna show y'all a super easy way to cut a bob. If you're cutting a bob at home by yourself and you have nobody else to help you to cut this bob, or you're not at a hair salon, I'm gonna show you what to do. So you wanna make sure your hair is combed out, right? Combed out. And you wanna take your hair and put it back into a ponytail. Now you wanna put this ponytail in kind of loose a little bit. You don't want it to be like super tight.
No, you actually want this ponytail to be in super tight, and you'll see why.
And you can also cut the front first if you want to. But this way right here, this is going to ensure that your front is going to come out long and your back is going to come out the way it's supposed to come out. This part is a little bit loose, so I'll probably have to go in and like cut it a little bit. But put this back here like this. Make sure it is in the middle. Like that. And we're going to cut this little ponytail off. Now, it would be easier if you had some clippers or something like that, but if not, just go ahead and just cut it off. So you can come to the front and just cut this. I should have got the clippers, but just cut it off.
And this is why you make the ponytail tight, so that your hair won't fall out of the ponytail and it'd be uneven. So don't do like me. Make your ponytail tight and it'll come out right.
It came out the ponytail. But anyway, you see, I have oh, that's a sharp bob cut. Hold up. I didn't know I was going to do that. That is a sharp bob cut right there. Hold on. This side, it came out of the ponytail, so I'm gonna have to fix this side. But this is literally the bob. But dang, I wish that did not fall off the ponytail like that. Let me see if I can put it back in the ponytail and see if I could cut it again to get this side even with the other side. Because that's like unfortunate. Because that side is sharp. Let me put it in a tight ponytail. Tight. All right. So I feel some hair right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. All right, so it may be a little bit better. If not, I'm gonna have to, okay, it's a little better. It's a little better. This side is still sharp. Sharp, this side I'm gonna have to work on some. But if your ponytail don't fall out, that's the easy way to cut you a bob at home.
So I ended up using the clippers to fix it. I had my husband help me with the back because I couldn't see the back. But it all worked out. My bob came out cute.